Hi, I'm Remy from XFP Filters, and here's just to present our range of filtration systems, either for cars, small buses, small off-highway equipment, where you typically have a spin-on filter like this, and where you can install our filtration system, which is the filter that replaces the paper filter, and the purifier that will collect the debris that the filter stopped, because the XFP filter is self-cleaning, and will send all the dirt that he has stopped from this port to this port on the purifier using a flex hose. And then from this port, you will have another flex hose going back to the engine to bring back the oil to the engine. So this is the small size. We call this the ALD kit. And for trucks and buses and big off-highway equipment, we have what we call the AHD kit, which is the same principle, except the filter is bigger to replace a bigger filter. And the purifier has bigger capacity to hold more dirt. Okay? So typically with our systems, the advantage is that when you will reach your oil drain interval, you will not drain your engine, you will only drain the purifier and take an oil sample for analysis. And when you get the result of your oil analysis, you will know if next time you just do a purifier drain and oil sample, or if you need to drain the engine some. Okay? If we go into what's inside paper filter and what's inside our filter, we have two examples here. So this is our small model filter, self-cleaning filter, where you can see that the filtration media is not paper, it's stainless steel mesh. And when you compare to a conventional filter, well, you have fibers. It's what we call a paper filter. And in this filter, you always have a bypass valve, because these filters will clog eventually. So if you don't change it soon enough, there's a safety device, this valve inside, which will open and let unfiltered oil go to your engine. Now in the XFP filter, there is no bypass valve. So basically we're filtering like a conventional from the outside to the inside, with the oil going to your engine. And inside this diameter, we put our self-cleaning mechanism. It's a special system that will allow to push filtered oil back into the galleries here, to take the dirt off the filtration mesh, and to take it out through one of these two ports, which is the port we have here. Okay? The other two ports are just to make sure that when you install the product, you are in a good condition, operating conditions, because with this port you can check the pressure on your filter inlet, and with this port you can check the pressure on your filter outlet. So you will know the pressure drop across your filter, which needs to be less than 7 psi when you start up, and it should always stay below 7 psi. On all the applications we've done, when the engine is hot, we basically have around 3 to 4 psi pressure drop. Thank you for your attention.